Hi, I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA Ocean. Today I want to talk about how to process mooring reports in a batch format. So why is this important? Well, if you look at an individual simulation results, here we have some mooring response in waves for the data well template mooring. Normally what you would do is open your results in ProteusDS Simulation Toolbox. You can see we've already generated the simulation results. We'll click on the report tool here. And for dynamic results, we want to use the single leg mooring report template. Click on OK. Typically, we'll truncate the first part of the simulation where waves are ramping up, so there's no statistics that are affected by this this transient period. Or sometimes there might be artificial shocks in the tension response at the start of the simulation. So just at 10 seconds there. So go generate report. And we'll just save the results in the results folder there. Calculates the report for this simulation run, and you can see we've got this nice template report output with summary of the inputs, model inputs here, and a summary of the tensions and safety factors for the components, and a lot of other data. So now the problem is, well, what do you do if you've got a lot of these folders to process? It's kind of a lot of clicking to go through all that. So what you can do instead is open the report tool and select the template you want to work with. Go OK. Make any settings and changes you want to here. So again, we'll set this to 10 seconds. Template. Instead of going to generate report, we'll go to save report settings. I'm just going to save this file here. I've already got one there. I'll overwrite that file. I just happen to have there already. So now I'm going to close all of these files here, and we can open the ProteusDS report tool from the start menu. And now normally what you can do is you can again select any results you want, so we can actually go through the same steps here. We just have to navigate to the specific results file we want to work with. Instead, we want to go loads saved report template settings. It's going to ignore the results folder. So what it's going to do now is ask you to navigate to where you saved that PDRT template file. So we go OK, and now it's going to say, hey, please add all of the results you want to process in batch. So we go here. So I drag and drop all the folders it's detected. I put a redundant one in there, but I've got wave seed 1, wave seed 2, wave seed 3. And we can add more if we had more, but what we're going to do now is you can save them to a single folder, but I'm just going to send them to their individual folders for now. Just go generate reports. So it loads through one, loads through the second, loads through the third. Okay, and the report series are done. So if we go into results here, you can see we've got our report generated for each of the individual ones. So hopefully a lot less clicking once you've got a bunch of reports you want to generate for a series and do some comparisons. And yeah, that's what I wanted to show. So thanks for watching.